minute, Mrs. Thomas. We've already seen this before. You're right. So here's the plan for today. Because I only had 4 kiddos turn this in correctly, we are going to spend another day making sure we get our assignment done and turned in. I also wanted to take this time to show you what a final product looked like. Now, our directions here say use the vocabulary box to write 5 true sentences about predicting the weather. This student gave me 5 true sentences. Here's one sentence about satellites and predicting weather. Here's a sentence about data from satellites. Here's a sentence about predicting the rainfall. Here's a sentence about location. And here's a sentence about graphs. That's 5 true sentences. Okay? I noticed that some of you added to the weather box, or our vocabulary box. That's awesome. But go ahead and give me those 5 sentences with the new vocabulary too. I noticed that some of you gave me a list of the vocabulary. That's great, but I was asking for 5 true sentences. Here's another example of a complete product. I have 5 sentences about predicting the weather right here, and they use words from our word box. This is my example. And these are their sentences. Here's another example. Same thing. Here's their word box. My sentence up here. Then their sentences. This student went ahead and did even more than 5, which is awesome. And our final example, right here, this is laid out very nice. I know exactly which words the student used because they highlighted them in their sentence. I also know that they have 5 sentences because they numbered all 5. So there were 4 examples of what a finished product looked like. If these were one of yours, go ahead and give yourself a pat on the back. You'll have a different assignment today. The reason we're writing these like this is because tomorrow we're going to use these 5 sentences to write a paragraph about predicting the weather. If you already have these 5 sentences, you're basically done. So make sure you get all 5 sentences complete today. Again, 5 sentences. Then you can turn in your project.